There's a wide range of heat transfer vinyl brands on the market. Here at Stahls, we manufacture our own line of heat transfer vinyl, and I'm excited to show you a new product that we've just brought out for spring 2022. It's called CAD-CUT UV Shift. That's because the product shifts colors when it's taken out into the sunlight. It's a photochromic product, just like those popular Air Force Ones that you see that always sell out. It can change color. It comes in 4 different colors, and today I want to show you a couple different branding concepts utilizing the UV Shift with this Camp Aloha design. Now, as you'll see here, it's on a white backing. Let's peel this back. And so you can see that it is a white or a kind of like an off-white color to start. This is actually our blue color when it's taken out into the sunlight. So you'll see that after we apply it. We'll show you it inside and outside and how that works. But I'm more interested to talk to you about some different sales opportunities for this product. And I think that camps are a great place to start, or resorts. And so in this case, we have this Camp Aloha design. This has been cut, weeded, ready to go. It's a sticky backing. Let's head over to the heat press and let's apply this crop top hoodie as well as a nice duffel bag and show you a couple different concepts. We're going to start by splitting our crop hooded sweatshirt onto the press and getting it down to a nice flat printing area. This is a Champion brand crop top hoodie. You can check out the style number there. And we're going to start with a preheat. And so this UV Shift heat transfer vinyl applies down at 302 degrees. And so I'm going to set it for 302 preheat. I'm at a medium pressure, and then I just lay out my design. So again, it looks just like a white heat transfer vinyl. It has a sticky backing, so it holds nice to the garment. And once I have everything in place, no need for a cover sheet at all. I'm just going to lock the machine down for the recommended time, which is 12 seconds. And I'm at a 7 on my pressure, which is on the top side of medium to firm. This machine automatically opens. One of my favorite things is it's a hot peel. Look at that. I mean, it removed the carrier from it when it opens. So you can peel it hot right away. In this case, the static kind of lifted it up for me, and it has a nice soft finish and feel. And so this is what it looks like inside. And let's take a look at the product outside. And you can see as it's exposed to the UV light and different intensities of UV light, it shifts to a nice dark blue color. And now back over at our heat press, I want to show you how to do a little different branding concept. So there we put white on gray, but here I'm going to put white on white, or this natural color, which is kind of like a hidden design when it's decorated until the bag is carried outside and then that brand comes to life. And I think that can be applied to a lot of different concepts. But to decorate a bag, I'm going to utilize a interchangeable platen. I'm going to grab this 6x10 platen, and it just pin registers right down into the base. Lock the lever down to hold it into place, and now I'm set up to press bags for the retail store at Camp Aloha, or perhaps, you know, they want to give one of these to everybody that's reserved and checking in at that camp. But I'm set up to print a lot of these, okay? And so I can just load that on. You see, I'm getting that area flat. I'm getting rid of my handle on my bag, my zipper, getting that nice print location. Let's double check our pressure here. I have no pressure. So I'm just going to turn this knob to apply some pressure. Still no pressure. So I'm just turning it clockwise, and that raises the pressure. Now once I'm finally making contact here, I can see it's reading out a 2 on the control board. Let's give it a little bit more. And we'll do our preheat. And remember, I was pressing it a 7 on the hoodie. I'm only pressing it a 2 or 3 because all of that pressure is coming down onto a smaller surface, so I don't want to damage the bag. Camp Aloha design, same design, so it's going to pair nice and look great in the store. Let's make sure we have it centered here. Perfectly positioned into place. And then let's go ahead and lock the machine down for that 12-second application. This material is very thin, so it blends in and takes on a little bit of the texture of the bag. Again, it's hot peel regardless of what you're applying to. And if you wanted to, I'm seeing a little bit of an indent of the carrier mark just because of the surface of this bag. So there's no problem with covering this with a cover sheet and hitting it again for just a few seconds. It just helps to polish off the finished result. It won't impact the durability of the heat transfer at all, and it won't impact the UV reactive capability here. And so again, nice sort of hidden design, especially when you're at a distance. You're not going to be able to pick up on that logo when it's inside, but as soon as the bag is carried out into the light, outside of the hotel or the resort, it comes to life with that nice deep blue color. So this makes a nice set and a couple different branding ideas for this camp or for any sales opportunity. So just a really nice, fun product that you can use for a lot of different customer types. This is CAD-CUT UV Shift heat transfer vinyl, available from Stahls, Stahls distributors, and Stahls resellers. And you can find the link on where you can find this product close to you or purchase directly from Stahls.com. It's down in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. Thanks for watching. Stahls CAD-CUT heat transfer vinyl is available at Stahls.com or locally at hundreds of resellers throughout the United States. Click the link in the description to find one near you.